Welcome to Health Screen. And if you having problem with your stories that are missing on Instagram, first, if you are having archive stories missing, first thing is of course open up the Instagram application and select your profile down below on the bottom right. And now over here, you could just simply go ahead and select the three lines on the top right corner of the screen. And now you will be redirected through the settings. Now over here, select archive. Now from here, when you don't see your stories over here, you could just simply select the word at the top. And from here, we will have multiple options. We have live archive, posts archive, and stories archive. So make sure to select that. And however, if you don't see any stories over here that you have posted recently, what you could try to do is just simply select the three dots on the top right corner of the screen. And you should be able to see here settings in the more options. Now, from here, guys, just make sure to turn on save story to archive. So every time you post a story into your account, it will be automatically redirected to the stories archive. So make sure to turn that on. Now, if you're still having problems with the Instagram, guys, what you could try to do is just simply go ahead and go to your Google Play Store or App Store and just simply, of course, search for the Instagram application. And from here, just make sure you are running the latest version of the app. And if there is any update, you should be able to see here update instead of open. And just simply select the three dots on the top right and make sure to enable the auto update. Another option is just simply tap on uninstall, and from there just simply reinstall it back again into your phone, and you should be able to fix the issue. And from there, you should be able to reset the application. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.